Good morning, children. Welcome to AP Residential Online Classes. I am T. Ramalingam, working as TGT Mathematics in AP Residential School, Patikonda. In previous classes, we have already learned about the simple equations. Before going to our topic, applications of simple equations, let us recall previous knowledge of simple equations. Here, I am writing an equation like 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Which is the variable in this equation? Which is the variable in this equation? Yes, x is the variable. What are the constants in this equation? Constants are 3 and 7. How many variables are there? Here, only one variable is there, that is x. What is the power of variable x? Yes, the power of x is 1. The power of x is 1. So, this equation is called simple equation. This equation is called simple equation. So, what do you mean by simple equation? Yes, simple equation is an equation in one variable with highest power 1. Today, we are going to discuss about the concept of applications of simple equations is connected with other chapters like geometry, data handling, and business mathematics and also connecting with other subjects like science and economics. Let us discuss some examples. If two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and their difference is 5, then find the largest number. If two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and their difference is 5, then find the largest number. Children, in this problem, what is given? Yes, the ratio is given. The ratio of two numbers is given. What is required? Largest number is required. Given ratio is equal to 2:3. Given ratio is equal to 2:3. Children, which is the largest part in the ratio? Yes, 3 is the largest part and 2 is the smallest part. So let the larger number or largest number is equal to 3x. Let the largest number is equal to 3x. Then smallest number. What is the smallest number, children? Yes, smallest number is equal to 2x. Here what is given? The difference of two numbers is given. So difference is equal to largest number minus smallest number. Difference is equal to largest number minus smallest number. So 3x minus 2x, we get x as the problem. What is the difference from the problem? Difference is 5. So according to the problem, difference is equal to Difference is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. We have to find the largest number. So, largest number is equal to 3x. Substitute x as 5. Substitute x as 5. So, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, largest number. Therefore, largest number is equal to 15. Children, observe this figure. Yes, this figure has two angles. First one is x minus 10, second one is 2x plus 25. We have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Here, two angles, x minus 10 and 2x plus 25. These two angles form a right angle. This picture shows the right angle. So, sum of the angles is equal to 90 degrees. Why the sum of the angles is 90 degrees? Because in the given picture, two angles x minus 10 and 2x plus 25 forms a right angle. What is the value of right angle? The value of right angle is 90 degrees. So, sum of the angles is 90 degrees. From the picture, first angle x minus 10 plus second angle 3x plus 25 equal to 90. Now, adding like terms. Now, adding the like terms. X plus 2x. X plus 2x is equal to 3x. And plus 25 is plus 50 is equal to 90 degrees. Here, 15 Now transposing 15 from LHS to RHS. Now transposing 15 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 15. It becomes minus 15. So 3x is equal to 90 minus 15. What is 90 minus 15? Yes, 90 minus 15 is 75. Here, 3 is multiplied. Transposing 3 to RHS, it becomes divides. Here, 3 is multiplying. Transposing 3 to RHS, it becomes divides. Then x is equal to 75 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. Equal to 25 by 1, that is equal to 25. Therefore, x value is equal to 25. Children, next we are going for another example. If the perimeter of the following triangle is 15 centimeters, then find the value of x. If the perimeter of the following triangle is 15 centimeters, then find the value of x. Children, what are the sides of the given triangle? Yes, the sides of the given triangle is x plus 2, 2x minus 3. What is given in this problem? Perimeter of a triangle is given. The perimeter of a triangle is 15 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the triangle, children? Yes, perimeter of the triangle is sum of the three sides of a triangle. Perimeter of the triangle. Triangle is sum of three sides. Sum of three sides. Three sides of a triangle. Here, perimeter of a triangle is equal to add three sides of the given triangle. First side is x plus the second side is x plus 2. Third side is 2x minus 3. Add the like terms. First x plus x plus 2x. X plus x is 2x. 2x plus 2x is 4x. Next, add the constants. What are the constants? Plus 2 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. According to problem, perimeter is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. Therefore, 4x minus 1 is equal to 15. 4x minus 1 is equal to 15. Now transpose minus 1 to RHS, it becomes plus 1. Transpose minus 1 to RHS, it becomes plus 1. Then 4x is equal to 15 plus 1. Therefore, 4x is equal to 16. Here, 4x is equal to 16. Here 4 is multiplying. Transposing 4 to RHS, it becomes divides. Transposing 4 to RHS, it becomes divides. So x is equal to 16 by 4. X is equal to 16 by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 4 ja 16. Then x is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4. This is the x value of the given problem.
Right.
Next, we are going to real life applications. While solving the problems related to real life situations, we should follow some steps. మనం రియల్ లైఫ్ లో ఉండే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ని సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు కొన్ని స్టెప్స్ ఫాలో కావాలి. వాట్ ఆర్ దోస్ స్టెప్స్? ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ నోట్ వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ నోట్ డౌన్ వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఏమి ఇచ్చినాడు, ఏమి కనుక్కోవాలి, ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. సెకండ్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ డినోట్ ద అన్నౌన్స్ బై ద వేరియబుల్స్ యాస్ x, y and etc. Denote the unknowns by the variables as x, y and etc. తెలియని వేరియబుల్స్ ని x లేదా y లేదా ఆ విధంగా మనము అనుకోవాలి. థర్డ్ స్టెప్, ట్రాన్స్లేట్ ద ప్రాబ్లం టు లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. ట్రాన్స్లేట్ ద ప్రాబ్లం టు లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. మనం ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం ని మ్యాథమెటికల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ లోనికి మార్చుకోవాలి. After changing the mathematical statements, we have to go to form the simple equations. Using the given conditions. మనము సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని ఫామ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్స్ బట్టి సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని ఫామ్ చేయాలి. Next, solve the equations. Solve the equations. Equations ni solve cheyali. Last step. That means after solving the equations, we have to verify. We have to verify. మనము verify చేసుకోవాలి. Whether the solution satisfies the condition of the problem or not. వచ్చిన సొల్యూషన్ ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుందా లేదా అనేది మనం ఒకసారి వెరిఫై చేసుకోవాలి. Children, now we are going to example 14. Find two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 125. Find two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 125. This is the problem related to real life. First step is, what is the first step? First step is find what is given and what is required. Find what is given and what is required. Here, what is given? The sum of two consecutive natural numbers is given. The sum of two consecutive natural numbers is given. The sum is 125. What is required? Two consecutive natural numbers are required. Two consecutive natural numbers are required. Second step. Second step. What is the second step? Denote the unknown quantity by variables. Here, let the unknown quantity is a number. Let the number is equal to x. Let the number is equal to x. That is, first number is x. Next, we have to find the next number. That means consecutive natural number of x. We have to find the consecutive natural number of x. So consecutive natural number of x. Consecutive number means next number of the given number. Next number of the given number. That is, consecutive natural number of x means x plus 1. X plus 1. For example, I take a number 5. I take a number 5. The consecutive number of 5 means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. If I take the number is 10, what is the consecutive number of 10? 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 is the consecutive number of 10. 6 is the consecutive number of 5. That means consecutive number means next number of the given number. Here, next given sum of the consecutive numbers. So, third step is translate the given problem to mathematical sentences. So, sum of the consecutive numbers is 125. So, sum is equal to x plus 1. Sum is equal to x plus 1. From the problem, sum is equal to, or sum of two consecutive natural numbers is equal to 125. From the problem, sum is equal to 125. Therefore, x plus 1 is 125. This is the equation. So, fourth point is forming the equation. Now, solve the equation. Next step is solve the equation. So, here, adding the like like terms. X plus x is equal to 2x. X plus x is equal to 2x plus 1 is equal to 125. X plus x is equal to 2x plus 1 is equal to plus 1 equal to 125. This is the equation. Next, we have to solve the equation. We have to solve the equation. So, here transpose plus 1 from LHS to RHS. Transpose plus 1 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 1. So 125 minus 1. Transpose plus 1 from LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 1. So 2x is equal to 124. Here 2 is multiplying. 2 is multiplying. Now transposing 2 to RHS, it becomes divides. Transposing 2 to RHS, it becomes divides. So x is equal to 124 by 2. X is equal to 124 by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 6 ja 12. 2 2 ja 4. X is equal to 62. First number we get x is equal to 62. Next, consecutive number of x means x plus y is equal to, substitute 62 instead of x. Substitute 62 instead of x. 62 plus 1. That is equal to 63. Therefore, required numbers is equal to 62 comma 63. These 62 and 63 are consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 125. Last step we have to check. First take the two numbers. 62 and 63. Find the sum. Sum is equal to 62 plus 63. So sum is equal to, what is 62 plus 63? Yes, 62 plus 63 is 125. So here the sum, given sum also 125. Here the given sum also 125. Hence it is verified. Children, we are going to next example 17. So the length of a rectangle is 5 meters, more than twice of its breadth. If the perimeter is 148 meters, then find the length and breadth of the rectangle. The length of a rectangle is 5 meters more than twice of its breadth. If the perimeter is 148 meters, then find the length and breadth of a rectangle. Children, in this problem, what is given? The perimeter of a rectangle 148 meters is given. What is required? Length and breadth of the rectangle is required. Length and breadth of a rectangle is required. First, unknown quantity. First unknown quantity. Let the breadth of a rectangle. Let the breadth of a rectangle is equal to x meters. Then length of a rectangle. Length of a rectangle is equal to, here the length of rectangle is 5 meters more than twice of its breadth. 5 meters more than twice of its breadth. That means 2 into x, 2 times of the breadth. That is twice of the breadth more than 5 meters. That means plus 5. So the length of a rectangle is 2x plus 5 meters. Given perimeter also given. Perimeter of the rectangle also given 148 meters. Observe the figure rectangle. Here the breadth is x meters, so it is the breadth x meters, and the length is 2x plus 5 meters. So length 2x plus 5 meters. Now we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? What is the perimeter of a rectangle? As the sum of two lengths plus the sum of two breadths. Perimeter of a rectangle is sum of two lengths plus sum of two breadths. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B is equal to 148 meters. Here, what is the L? L is length of a rectangle 2x plus 5 meters. What is the breadth? Breadth is x meters. So, substitute length and breadth in this formula. Here, the length is 2x plus 5, breadth is x. Therefore, 2 into 2x plus 5 plus breadth is equal to x. So, plus x is equal to 148. Here, add the like terms 2x plus x. So 2 into 2x plus x is equal to 3x plus 5 is equal to 148. Now multiply 2 into 3x, 6x plus 2 into 5, 10 is equal to 148. Here, transposing plus 10 to RHS. Next to transposing plus 10 to RHS, it becomes minus 10. It becomes minus 10. Then 6x is equal to 148 minus 10. Here, transpose plus 10 to RHS, it becomes minus 10. So then 6x is equal to 148 minus 10 is equal to 138. 138. In LHS, 6 is multiplying. In LHS, 6 is multiplying. So transpose 6 to RHS, it becomes divides. Transpose 6 to RHS, it becomes divides. So 138 by 6. Now 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. So x is equal to 23. X is equal to 23. What is x? X means breadth of a rectangle. X is equal to 23 is the breadth of a rectangle. Therefore, breadth of a rectangle is equal to 23 meters. Then length of a rectangle. What is the length? 2x plus 5 meters. 2x plus 5 meters. Substitute 23 in x. Substitute 23 in x. So 2 into 23 plus 5. 2 into 23, 46 plus 5 is equal to length is equal to 46 plus 5. What is 46 plus 5? 51. So length is equal to 51 meters. Therefore, next we have to check So length is equal to 51 meters. Breadth is equal to 23 meters. Perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Yes. Substitute L is equal to 51 meters, breadth is equal to 23 meters. So 2 into 51 plus 23. 2 into 51 plus 23 is equal to 74. Now multiply 2 into 74, we get 148. In the problem, the perimeter also 148 meters. Hence, verify. Children, in this class, we have discussed about applications of simple equations and some problems related to real life situations.